I felt the hair on the back of my neck go up. I knew I was being watched. It was just so close, and it was so obvious that it didn't want me there. So I was only about 2 minutes away from the car if I ran real fast. So I did. I heard snaps again. And this time, they were really close. I was convinced that I was going to die, and that I was going to die in a very bad way. When I finally saw my car, I was hearing snaps very close, but they weren't frequent, and as I got real close to the car, they stopped entirely. I remember now thinking, those snaps have stopped because he's right behind me and he's going to grab me.
What you dreaming about, pup? What's he dreaming about?
I remember now thinking,
Oh,
he's right behind me.
oh, I'm sorry.